guys, welcome back to Crafty. This is me Shahina and this is your Shahrukh. In this video we're going to see how to make polymer clay hacks. If you are new to this channel, then click that subscribe button, click the bell icon near to the subscribe button and click all to never miss the current updated videos. The first hack that we're going to deal with is a tea plate. So for making this tea plate is not so simple, it's going to be so grand. We are going to make a cookie. You're not going to do it like a perfect circle. You can make it into a normal irregular round. It's so better than making a perfect circle. And then the second step is to make some pores. When you have cookies in your hand, then you will know that it contains pores. So using a brush, useless brush that you don't want, just create some pores like what I've done here. And the third step is to create some biting effect. So for making that, I have here a tool where I got this along with my clay. If you want this clay, I'll give you the link in description, go check. This is not the normal clay, this is called as polymer clay. And if you don't have this tool, no worries, you can also use the straw. After creating this biting effect, let's keep this aside. To make my cookie so realistic, I'm going to sprinkle out few amount of choco chips, where those choco chips are not real but they are also made out of the clay. So let's go check how they are. Let's take very little amount of brown clay. Let's flatten it up and cut it into a square. And there we have our beautiful small little choco chips. And let's sprinkle this to our cookies. Now here comes my cookie. And I just gum in few random places. Now let's stick the choco chips. And yeah, it's ready. Dry for one day.
Tomorrow.
My tea plate is ready. Since I don't have brown clay, I have sketched out with my brown color and I feel it's so beautiful. The next hack that we are going to do is a batch, a rainbow batch. For that, I have up to 5 colors: red, green, violet, dark blue and yellow. If you have all 7 colors, it's okay. And now let's arrange them, and it's not problem at all to arrange them in the correct order, or they should be in a proper shape. They can even be in irregular. And here I cut the excess amount of the clay and our rainbow will be ready. So since we are going to be making a batch, we will need a safety pin. So let's twist the rainbow back, and here I am going to take the pin, gonna attach it. So for attaching we will need glue, but no need at all. I'm going to take a little amount of clay and going to stick it towards it. So after one day it dries up and it's ready.
24 hours later.
This batch will shoot for your dress, your bag, for your pouch and whatever you feel so. I have brown clay over here in my hand. Gonna flatten a little bit and made it into a round. Let's keep this aside. And here I have very well flattened one which is pink in color and have marked it somehow, and gonna cut this using my knife. Guys, do anybody have any idea or any guess about what are we gonna do on this hack? This is all about a keychain. The design of the keychain is gonna be of a donut. So this is what the filling for the donut that we are preparing now. So after cutting this, let's fix it to our round and then hold it to the center. And for the toppings, you can do something different like sprinkles or something. And I'm doing like this, where this satisfies me so much. The donut is done. For the keychain, first of all, the hook to be attached and then the keychain base. So both the links will be provided in the description. Go check if you want.
24 hours later.
Oh my god. Do the same for all your keys and make your key holder so beautiful. The next hack, fourth hack, is what we're gonna make is a bookmark. This bookmark is something which is very different, where your marked page looks very fantabulous. We're gonna make a plant. So out of brown clay, I have made a pot first. Then this strip is again made out of brown color, then attached to the top of the pot. And now the plant, made it like a bean. So make the same like 2 or 3 and fix it to your pot. And yeah, our plant is ready. The design is done. Now for the bookmark, just a simple paper clip. So take it. No need of any glue or any gum. A little amount of clay can be stick to it. And it's beautifully ready.
Tomorrow.
They hung streamers and wreaths and decorated a conch shell Christmas tree. Meanwhile, the sharks were busy inviting all the guests. Finally, just the sea turtles were left. Oh, the time is up, and that's enough. Here I mark it and we'll continue tomorrow. This last is going to be very quick hack, where I cut this rectangular shape half and the second part should be upside down, and this, when you shape it correctly, forms into a beautiful heart. And this is very quick that the design is done. So and then you can make anything you want. I'm gonna show you about a bookmark. So the same process that we applied to our last hack, and the paper clip is attached, and top of it are little amount of clay.
Tomorrow.
You didn't have to give me a present, she said. You have already been so kind to me. So yeah, that's enough for today. Here, this page to be marked with my little cutie heart. And I have not only made a bookmark, but also a ring with a ring base. Hope you love this video so much and hope you'll try this out. Comment below which is your favorite hack, and if so, then subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye from me, Shahina and Shahrukh. Tata and bye bye.